Often you might need to duplicate a form and deploy it to a different domain. Creating similar forms from scratch is time-consuming and tiresome. Therefore, WP Fluent Forms allows you to migrate your forms from one site to another. You can do that with just a few clicks using the export and import tools. To export a form, click on Fluent Forms Pro from the left sidebar. Find the Tools option and click on it. From the Export Forms setting, select the form you'd like to export from the drop-down menu. Click on the green Export button. It'll download the form in .json format. As we have successfully exported a file, let's see how we can import that file. To import a file, click on the Fluent Forms Pro from the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Find the Tools option and click on it. From the Import Forms setting, choose the .json file you want to import from your PC. Click on the green Import button. If the form successfully imported, you will see a success notice pop up. You'll have the form ID, name, and Edit Form button in front of you. You can click Edit Form to start editing the imported form. See how easy it is? Why not download WP Fluent Forms Pro and make your life easier than ever? For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.